you.
Have a great
Bye.
one. Thanks so much.
Yep.
Woman, here comes the nice guy. The other nice guy. See, the MBTA has the nicest drivers. Here comes the super nice guy. Oh, that's a cool shot. Now when the next train comes, the yellow lights are going to turn on right there. Over there. If another train comes, the yellow light will turn on right above that second red light, and it will say, turn, switch. Wilma. This is crazy today. I'm gonna make this a video, and it's gonna be named MBTA Blue Line Action at Wonderland. Now I'm gonna title the video MBTA Horn Show at Wonderland. Hi. See, wait for it. Yep, that means you're gonna turn this. You're gonna switch right there. See that yellow light on the bottom. Dom.
Dom? Nice to meet you, Monica.
Nice to meet you too.
Meet you. Have a good night. You too. Thanks so much.
Oh wait, no way. There's a yellow light on the very bottom, I think. I think there's a yellow light on the very bottom, and that tells them to switch to a third track that's there. Because there's a third one.